Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm going to be making Andorra tribute today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making Andorra tribute. But first, I'm going to show you how to launch your FL Studio properly. When launch your FL Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this, right click and just press open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio. So I'm just going to click here and just enter my FL Studio to start making my Andorra tribute. I'm going to click on add, click on citrus. After clicking on citrus, on this empty space after the number 4, I'll just put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 5. After doing so, I'll then put my cursor here, right click, then press piano roll. This is my piano roll. So I'll start drawing and program my beat from each bar to each bar like this. Let's go, let's start. As you can see, I've programmed my first 4 bars. I'm then going to make sure you use these tools up here, your paint, your paint, your paint in drum, your mute, your delete. Make sure you use this. But now before like copying the first to 4 bars right up to bar 8, I'm going to press Control and A, then press Control and B again. As you can see, right up to 8 bars. The next step is I'm going to click on Add, click on my bow bars. On this empty space here, I'll just tap it like this, just put my cursor here. My cursor is this thing that is shaking on the screen. Then I'll just left click, I hold the left click button on my mouse, then just turn the mouse wheels, the little knot on your mouse, or just turn the mouse wheels on your die pad or your computer right up to channel 6. Then put your cursor on your bow bars, right click, then press piano roll. I'll start programming my bass melody with my bow bars. That's how it sounds. Or just drop a little 1 bar like this, then drag it to each end, from each end to each end like this. This is a simple step to create beat. When you follow my YouTube channel, you are going to learn how to create beats very easily. That's it. Good. Now let's just listen to the melody a little bit. Now it's time to mix our beat now. On this beat here, I'll click on slot 1, click on the Fruity Parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I'll just click on my slot 2, click on the Fruity Multiband Compressor. On slot 3, I'll just click on slot 3, then click a Fruity Limiter. After doing so, here, I'll click on slot 1 and click a Fruity Parametric EQ2, click on slot 2, click a Fruity Limiter, click on slot 3, and click a Fruity Soft Clipper. That's good. The next step is, this is our hi-hat here. I'm going to right click, press piano roll. I'll start now to program my hi-hat now. This is it. I'm going to like program my hi-hat, like I'll program the first bar like this. This is the first bar. I'll just like put my cursor here, left click and hold it, highlight to left, press Control and B several times to reach bar number 8, and that's okay. The next step is I'll put my cursor on my snare, right click, press piano roll. Yeah, that's it. That's it. From at the ending of each bar, I'll just put my snare like this. Let me say 7 here. I'll just put my snare here. 8 here. I'll put my cursor like this, and that's okay. This is my kick. or left click and hold it, drag my kick to channel 1, right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my kick now. As you can see, inside my each bar, I'm putting my kick. Inside my each bar, I'm putting my kick like this. From each bar, I'm putting my kick. From each bar, I'm putting my kick like this. Make sure you follow, don't just put your kick randomly. Then the next step is, after doing so, I'll click on my kick like this. This icon here, effect target, I'll click here, then turn the boss knob right up. I'll go back to my mixer here. I'll turn the melody a little bit like this. Okay, this is our playlist. This empty space is our playlist where I've written part 1. I'll put my cursor on part 1, right click, then click by chaining. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FSZO. Make sure you use this tool. So I'll just click on this draw, click on this kick, click back on my playlist, click on this hi-hat, click back into my playlist, click on this snare, click back into my playlist, click on my first melody, click back into my playlist, click on my boot bars, and click back into my playlist. After doing so, I'll put my cursor here at the ending of number 8 bar, left click and hold it, just highlight to the left, or just press Ctrl and A and Ctrl and B to copy it to extend your beat. That's it. After doing so, I'll make sure I remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare to create space for an intro and outro. This is the intro and outro. Then I'll put my cursor here, left click and hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat again. But you can extend your beat however you want. Now, I'm going to click here on draw, click on this citrus to extend my beat. This is my outro now. I'm extending my outro. I'll click on my boot bars, just click back at the ending of this boot bars here. Then I'll remove the hi-hat, I'll remove the snare. I'll go back to my mixer on channel 3, which is my hi-hat. I'll put my cursor, right click, then create automation clip. On channel 4 here, I'll right click, then create automation clip. That's okay. Then I'm going to spice it up a little bit. I'll put my cursor here, just scroll a little bit up, then I'll just pick this hi-hat. I'm going to spice it up by putting a hi-hat here at the ending point of my intro, and here at the starting point of my outro. Now let's listen to the Andorra track beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Andorra rabbit. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. Thank you so much. Goodbye and see you tomorrow in another bit. Thank you so much.